Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong numbers within range in Java. This is continuation to previous video, part 37. Armstrong number for n digit number in Java. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is Armstrong number? Here we have 153. First we need to get individual digits like 1, 5, 3. This number contains 3 digits. That means we need to do sum of cubes of individual digits equal to 153. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. Here we have 1634 and it contains 4 digits like 1, 6, 3, 4. We need to do sum of quadruple of individual digits like 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. We need to use modulus and division operator to get individual digits. Here input is 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15 and remainder is 3. We will take 15 and divide by 10. Here quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. Let us take 1 and divide by 10. Here quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Here we are getting individual digits like 3, 5, 1 from the number 153. We will discuss this logic over IntelliJ, launch IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt system.out.print. Please provide input number. Create object for scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in. Invoke nextInt method sc.nextInt and assign to integer variable int input. We need to find Armstrong number within the range. So here we need to use for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus. Here we need to find Armstrong numbers from I is equal to 1 to input. First we need to get individual digits from the number. So we need to use count variable, declare two variables, double result equal to 0, int count equal to 0, for int temp equal to I, temp not equal to 0, count plus plus temp equal to temp divided by 10. Here we need to find count of integers. Here we are using count variable and also we are using division operator to get individual digits. Declare one more for loop to find Armstrong numbers for int temp equal to I, temp not equal to 0, temp equal to temp divided by 10, int remainder equal to temp modulus 10, result plus equal to math dot power. Here power function taking two parameters as double and returning double power of remainder comma count. Here we are using math dot power function to calculate power of the integers. If I equal to result system dot out dot println I plus is Armstrong number. Execute this code, go to run, click on run main. Please provide input number 100. Here we are getting Armstrong numbers within range 100. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are Armstrong numbers within range 100. How means? Here 1 it contains 1 digit. That means 1 power 1 equal to 1. So 1 is Armstrong number. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is Armstrong number and so on. We'll execute one more time. Go to run. Click on run main. Please provide input number 1000. Enter. Here 129 are Armstrong numbers. Later 153, 370, 371, 407. These are Armstrong numbers within range 1000. Execute one more time. Go to run. Run main. Here 1 lakh. Enter. Here 129 are Armstrong numbers. Later 153, 370, 371, 407, 1634, 8208, 9474 and so on. These are Armstrong numbers within range 1 lakh. Here this loop will iterate from 1 to input number. For example, if you provide input as 1 lakh, then for loop will execute 1 lakh times. So it is time consuming process. What I can do here, I will provide here int I is equal to 152. Now I will execute this program, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on debug main to execute program in debug mode. Later click step into or F7. Click on debug main, click on console, F7, read input. Here I will provide as 1000. Enter. Here I is equal to 152. 152 less than or equal to 1000. F7. Here 152 assigned to temporary variable. Temp is equal to 152. 152 not equal to 0. True. Later 152 divided by 10. You get temporary is equal to 15. This is quotient. Later count equal to 1 and 15 not equal to 0. True. It will continue. Here 15 divided by 10. Temp is equal to 1. Later count equal to 1. Currently count is equal to 1. It will increment one value, that means count is equal to, here 1 not equal to 0, true. Then 1 divided by 10 will get 0. Count equal to 1, that means count is equal to 3. 0 not equal to 0, false, it exits from for loop. Later 152 assigned to temporary variable. 150 not equal to 0. Here 152 modulus 10 will get 2 as remainder. Here remainder 2. Later method power of 2 comma count. Count we calculated here. So count is equal to 3. 2 cube, that means 8. Result is equal to 8. Later here 152 divided by 10. Temp is equal to 15. 15 modulus 10 will get remainder as 5. Later 5 cube. That output add to result. F7. 15 divided by 10. Here temp is equal to 1. 1 modulus 10 will get 1 as remainder. Here remainder is equal to 1, count is equal to 3, that means 1 cube is equal to 1. Here result is equal to 133. 133 plus 1 will get 134. Here temp is equal to 1. 1 divided by 10, 0. It will exit from for loop. Here I is equal to 152. Result is equal to 134. That means both are not equal. 152 is not Armstrong number. Later 153. Here 153 assigned to temporary variable. 153 divided by 10. Well, temp is equal to 15. Count incremented. 15 not equal to 0. True. 15 divided by 10. We'll get temp is equal to 1. Count incremented 1. 1 not equal to 0. True. Here count is equal to 2. 1 divided by 10 will get 0. And count incremented 1. 0 not equal to 0, false, it exits from for loop. Here I is equal to 153. 153 assigned to temporary variable. 153 not equal to 0. Here 153 modulus 10 will get 3 as remainder. Now remainder is equal to 3. Count is equal to 3. 3 cube means we will get 27. 27 add to result. 153 divided by 10 will get temp is equal to 15. 15 modulus 10 will get 5 as remainder. Here math dot power of 5 comma 3, that means 5 cube. 5 cube means 125. 125 plus 27. Here temp is equal to 15. 15 divided by 10 will get temp is equal to 1. 1 modulus 10, 1. Remainder is equal to 1. 1 comma 3, 1 cube, that means 1. 152 plus 1, 153. That means result is equal to 153. Here temp is equal to 1. 1 divided by 10, 0. 0 not equal to 0, false. It exits from for loop. Here I is equal to 153, result is equal to 153. 153 equal to 153, true. 153 is Armstrong number. It will continue. We'll stop execution. Run main 1000. And here we are getting output as 153, 370, 371, 407. Here we are checking from 152 to 1000. Here we are finding Armstrong numbers within range using for loop. We can do it using while loop also. So you can try with while loop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.